Mr. Chair, pwede po ba sa representative from the city of Dagupan?
Yes, sir. Mayor Fernandez.
Mayor, Mr. Chair, di po ba meron kayong powers na maglabas ng ordinansa?
Opo, sir. We will, actually, after this incident, when I go back to Dagupan, we will request for an ordinance to prohibit this kind of races in our city. Although what happened to our city po, we received a communication through email from the governor's office, and we were informed that they were hosting the Boss Ironman Motorcycle Endurance Challenge. And that was, we received that message February 15. And I was in the United City local government in Thailand when our city received another call from the PDRMC, a call to the CDRMC, following up that, the Ironman is going to pass through the national highway. So what happened, actually, we are waiting for the coordination directly of the Ironman to sit down with us. But nothing happened. Kasi usually po, pag may mga event na malaki, like for example, we have two events that happen, like the Fun Run, which involve more than 5,000 to 10,000 people. We sit down several times with the PMP, with all of the national government agencies. But in this case, nobody came to us to sit down with us and talk on this matter. However, ang nangyayari kasi, yung event will happen already on the following day. So the request from the governor's office is requesting the full support and cooperation through your local police, ensuring that the roads are clear and it's safe for the riders and providing for the necessary assistance. So, ang ginawa ho agad ng ating city, the acting mayor po, immediately called for a meeting together with our city legal office and asking the PMP chief to head the team. So, during that meeting po, ang kasama po dyan is the Bureau of Fire, the POSO, the traffic enforcer, and then, of course, the city disaster management team, and then we have the city health office to make sure na kung may problema ko, may mga medical assistance. And then, we also included the ABC president. And then, of course, tanod of the barangays were included. And then, we have multipliers. So, actually, wala hong coordination directly, sit-down meeting with us. Kaya medyo mahirap po talaga. Kaya nung narinig ko, ang ulap kanina na dapat sana may permit sa local government, and when the Congressman Richard Gomez was asking, I think it is very important that they should seek permit from the local government kasi parang dinaanan lang ho kami. Kami naman, out of courtesy to the governor, ginawa namin ang lahat ng paraan namin na makatulong for this event. We know that these are national road and we are not, it's not our jurisdiction. But please remember, the people that are watching this event are our people of the city. So I'm planning to ask for an ordinance. Maybe we should put a stop on this. And if anyway it doesn't benefit our people, it even harm our people. So ang hirap pa po ay no coordination at all, no permit at all. Hindi namin nakita kung sino mga yan na organizer po. Wala hong nangyaring ganun sa amin.
Thank you, Mayor. Mr. Chair. So, Mayor, may request po si Governor to give assistance dito sa boss na gawin yung clear and safe. Halimbawa po, nag-coordinate sila, kaya po ba ninyong gawing clear and safe yung area nyo?
Well, kaya naman ho kasi we have been, we have the Bangus Festival and we involve 400 of policemen, multipliers, and ang dami hong taong nag-attend. We were able to do it. Basta po may sit-down meeting, may pinag-uusapan kung anong mga risks that we will take. For this time, alam nyo, first time ko lang nakita, Mr. Chairman, na ganun kabilis pala yan, yung event na yan, yung pinakita kanina sa video. If I should have known that earlier, kasi actually, nung umpisa po, hindi ho namin gusto, we are not interested. And then, previous to this, meron na hong nag-apply din sa amin. I don't know if it's a copycat, but we disagree, we didn't allow them to do it in our city. But knowing yung nakita sa video kanina, we're against it.
Mr. Chair, alam po ba ni Mayor na after the event, nalaman po ba ninyo na may namatay kayo na constituent?
Yes po, nalaman po namin and we know from the PNP that the case was filed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor, Mr. Chair, so with that, nasaksiyan po ninyo sa video na talagang nakaka-alarma at nakakatakot. So, to make it clear, pagbalik po ninyo, magpapas po kayo ng ordinansa na ipagbawal na to.
Opo, kasi wala naman hong benefit ang ating city dyan eh. Tapos meron pang mamamatay. And it's not only that, I do not want to promote that in my city. Kasi marami hong mga kabataan na nagmomotor. Pero actually, we have a tie-up with the LTO ngayon. Ang ginagawa po natin ngayon, lahat ng mga nagmomotor po, kailangan may license. So, ini-stop na po namin yung mga accidents na gano'n. It's not only because of the Ironman, but the city gave priority for the protection of our motorcycle drivers. Then, much more for an Ironman activity. Ayoko mamaya, baka gayahin po nila kasi minsan may mga hinuhuli na kami mga drug racing eh. At the midnight po, ginagawa. And I don't want these children to follow what the Ironman is doing, although I know that this might create excitement for them, but it's not healthy and it's not good for the children of the Gupan, even not only the children, the people of the Gupan. Ayokong gayahin po nila yan.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, nabanggit po ni Mayor na yung protection po ng motorist or ng constituents nila ay isa sa mahalaga sa kanila. Mayor, matanong ko lamang po, kumusta po ang wearing of helmet sa area po ninyo?
Well, actually, before the national government came up with a helmet permit, I was the vice mayor then when we came up with an ordinance of the helmet permit. For the reason nandun sa De Venecia Highway po, marami ho talagang mga na-aksidente. Yan ang totoo. And we are very careful on that. Up to now, very strict po ang ating PNP. In fact, marami ho tayong nahuhuli na walang permit, walang helmet, and even the post enforcers po are very strict. That's why we work with the LTO. Sabi namin, of course, we have to ask everybody to get also their license. During the araw ng Dagupan celebration, there was almost 2,000 non-permit and non-licensed residents of Dagupan na nag-apply po for that training. And I was able to ask from LTO kasi marami pa hong nag-apply kasi the reason that they don't have that license, it's very expensive for them to go training to get a certificate. But now, dahil meron po yan, I want the people of Dagupan na mawalang permit to take advantage of that.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor, Madam, pwede po bang malaman sa inyo, yung po bang police personnel ninyo, hindi po ba katulad sa ibang areas wherein ang sinisita at hinuhuli lamang mga riders? Hindi kaya po ganun din sa inyong area?
Hindi po, pati sa mga drugs po, very strict po kami sa Dagupan. Lahat po, actually lately, nagkaroon din kami ng together with the DNR, ang ginawa ng PNP po. Pati yung mga informal settlers, yung mga nagla-land grab po, ay magkasama po kami sa lahat. And then, of course, including the peace and order, lahat po ng programa ng ating government po, walang problema po kami sa PNP ng Dagupan.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Madam Mayor, can we expect ordinance prohibiting motorcycle challenge kapag pag bumalik po kayo for the next hearing?
Yes po, we
Maasahan
will
po
work
ba
hard
namin
on
yan?
it. Today is Friday. Pagbalik namin, I hope we can transmit already a resolution to Sangguniang Panlunsod for a public hearing para ho maipasa agad. Kasi talagang as the city mayor, ayaw ko pong maapektado po ang aming taong bayan.
Mayor, maraming salamat po.